Put it on.
Yes.
Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family.
Ankeru, what if we get rained on?
Okay. You don't have an umbrella?
I got it. And let's just go even if we get rained on. Or
Let us go like that. Yeah, family. Some peace, some love, and some sunlight. As you know, family, Miss Jam Tours is due in a few months. And, you know, as you know, family, walking is good. What walking is good for again? It helps you with the contraction and the pushing and stuff. So, from now on, we'll be doing some walking, family.
To be honest, even if it's not necessarily all that, but at least you see when you're walking, it's those bones that are annoying when it comes to that time of labor pain.
Yeah.
Because, you know, I don't want to tell you to help me. I want to struggle.
You want to struggle? You want to flex those muscles?
Yeah.
Yeah, family. So we'll be going to a walk in the community all the way up at the top.
You see the hips with the legs as you walk, at least they are flexing.
Flexing, yeah.
Because most of the time when you get to the hospital, the people who are normally told to walk up and down.
Yeah, that's true, yeah, you see them walking.
Even last time, Mom told me when I was in labor ward, when I was in the labor room, that she saw some people being told to walk up and down. Maybe rain has started.
The family, rain has come. Seems like the rain mash up our plan,
but
family.
But I carry the umbrellas, we walk in the rain.
Well, sweetie, sure you can manage walking in the rain?
Of course.
I mean, sweetie, walk in the rain.
People have been brought up in Africa, which is rich.
So you want to walk in the rain?
So we have an umbrella.
Oh, okay.
What do you think?
You know, when you walk in the rain, you know you get sick. Remember the last time?
Yeah, when I get rained on, just a little drop on my skin.
So you don't want to get sick again in this time?
Let's
Yeah, family, but the rain is coming. Maybe we can just walk, and if it's coming back, we just come back. Just walk up to the top there. Even if it's a little family.
It will help.
Because this is it is needed. Even when I was with Amesh, we used to walk.
Yeah, we used to walk from very far.
Very
far. We used to walk a very long distance.
Yeah.
And then where we used to live was on 5th floor.
Yeah.
And the apartment itself was 9 floors.
Yeah.
Is it 9 or 10?
Or maybe we can walk up this floor with this stairs.
Yeah, I can move the stairs.
Yeah.
But then what I liked about that one, it's because I could...
Could I walk down here, you know, and come up on the other side.
I wanted to show you actually what it looks like.
Yeah.
So,
yeah, family.
So what happened, I used to walk, you remember we could go all the way like up to bypass?
Yeah.
And then we come and then I walk up to 9th floor.
Yeah.
And then come down and come up. Hey.
Yeah.
Even the last day so that I can go to the hospital.
Yeah.
I had walked and walked.
Yeah. Yeah, family. So we have different courts in this estate. And this is like a 4 bedrooms really, right? This is where all the family would be. It's like 4 bedrooms. So as you can see, most.
And there's no way through to out on the other court.
Yeah.
See how there's a lot of shade here.
Yeah.
Even here, you just bring out your chair and sit down.
Yeah. Wow. I would like to live on this spot. It's very private family. Yeah, family. So this is like the 4 bedroom court. You have 2 bedroom, 3 bedroom.
Yeah.
This is what it's like. Eh? Eh? Just what? Yeah, you'll see it, sweetie. This is like the gutter family. Down in the gutter. Yeah, drainage. So how you feeling walking?
Feels nice. Feels nice, especially here at the back. You know, because we are legs.
Yeah, family. So in the morning, you're supposed to make sure that you stretch. It's a part of health. So you see where you come out, and then we can walk this side.
So these are the bedrooms.
It's our 3 bedrooms. 2.
Yeah, or we keep going.
We can go that side and well, let's go this side and then come up on the other side.
We go this way.
Yeah.
Oh.
I must say this is the turn we normally take.
I've come with the,
Yeah?
we've come with the car here. Oh, I love this door.
Yeah, this door.
Hey, love. Let me climb this.
Why you tired? This jam tours can't manage this hill.
It's a hill.
Yeah, it's a steep hill.
I feel like I should walk here 10 times and that's it.
This is the corner, this is the bend. That's what can you last in your own community? Tell me now, is that even possible? Yeah.
But you know, I noticed nobody can ask you when you move from court to court because even that man when I runs in the morning.
Yeah, nobody can ask it's free for you, it's for free for you to walk. See where you come out. Oh, this house is still very bad. Yeah. Mambo. Yeah, family. So as you can see, security is tight. They have different booths, and then come out on the top. Yeah, we can go this way and come out on the top there. Yeah, family. Or we could have gone straight. Could have gone straight and the curve there and come up. Yeah.
These are 3 bedrooms.
Oh, yeah,
Based on the windows I can see.
yeah.
Cute. I love the parking lot of this place.
Yeah.
Don't you?
Yeah, the parking lot.
I
See
feel
the,
like these spots are so private.
yeah, these ones are so private.
Because around has been left a big space for children to
We
play.
better return back, you know.
Oh my God.
Let me stand up there.
Yeah, you can stand there, nobody will ask.
Way back here. Let's see. Yeah, family, so the rain is coming. Yeah, there it is. Let's see if we can actually complete this walk. Even though the rain is kind of coming a little.
Today we use Kaibubu. There is no
There's no entrance.
unless you jump the fence.
There's no entrance here.
No, we have to go.
No entrance. Let's go back.
Oh, but I love these sides. This looks like a bedroom.
Oh, no, empty one is on. There's an empty one up top. The one up top is empty.
Apparently, I don't like those photos
Why?
because of the shape of the house. So you get it as that. Like it's not flat. See, the house has been.
Oh yeah. It's like
I
you can't.
remember we once went to search down there.
It's very flat. You can't stand up.
Not flat. It's like this. So
Yeah.
now they have. I don't
Yeah.
like that shape because it doesn't even have a ceiling. Also, these ones look like they
Maybe
do.
you'll get all of the heat.
Yeah.
Yeah, family. The rain is drizzling a little bit. The sun is kind of out a little, but we're still walking. Yeah, we're still walking.
So I should be walking faster or slow?
Yeah.
I should walk faster or slow? Or I take my time?
Well, it depends. I know you can walk. The faster you walk, it's better.
But I know sometimes when you walk faster,
Yeah.
you'll feel the baby.
But trust me, walking is even better than running in your street. You know that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then you'll feel the manure.
Yeah.
You'll feel the baby coming. And then it's a bit uncomfortable, so you have to slow down.
When you walk fast.
Yeah, you see like the way I'm walking like this.
Yeah.
Yeah, it feels nice, of course.
Yeah.
But then sometimes you feel the baby turning, so it becomes uncomfortable, so you have to slow down a bit.
Yeah, family, you hear that? You hear that? Miss Jamto was giving pregnancy tip.
It depends though. Pregnancies are so different. Because it's right now to compare between Lizanne and Hamesh.
Yeah.
During Hamesh time, I was super active.
Yeah.
You know, I'm
Super.
still okay. I'm not lazy.
Yeah.
But I was extremely active. Like until sometimes my mother could get worried and be like, you know, you might lose the child by overworking yourself. And I'm telling her, I'm feeling so energetic. So what will I do?
Okay.
I'm just feeling some sort of energy.
Yeah. But I honestly feel like when you're pregnant, you're not supposed to just like just lie down and heat and all kind of thing.
Now that's the part I want to correct
Feel
you.
like you should.
That's the part I want to correct you.
Yeah.
It's not that somebody normally wants to like relax.
Yeah.
Sometimes you just get up and feel like you don't feel like doing anything.
Yeah.
And it's not on your side, like you can't control that. But naturally, people who are born lazy, whether you're pregnant or not, you get. So that's how I'm comparing my two journeys. With Hamesh, I was super active up to the last day. This one I'm also trying. As much as sometimes.
But sometimes I see you get up and start to work in the house, like you start to do things.
Like normal.
Yeah.
And sometimes I'll feel like I'm just feeling busy.
Yeah, but that just depends.
But you have to force yourself also, you don't just...
Yeah. But at least I really believe that sometimes it's just the personality of the person.
Yeah.
Depends on the type of person you are.
Yeah, especially if you are not born a lazy person.
Yeah.
Even when the pregnancy comes, you just be normal.
But if you're lazy, trust me, when the pregnancy comes, you're going to be super duper.
Double.
You're going to be super lazy. Yeah.
I'm double lazy. Or 3 times, 100 times lazy. You know, our estate is so big, you can walk all over.
Yeah. You can walk there. Yeah. You can do anything, yeah. Yeah. I guess the rain stopped a little, so we can walk.
Maybe it's just wanted to. And you
the
know,
sun.
Mom is telling me at home it's sunshine.
Oh yeah?
Like from morning, when the sun came out so early. Yeah. We live in 2 different worlds, right?
Yeah. 2 different county.
Yes.
That's how it is, rain fall different. You're tired. Yeah, family, Miss Jamto, so she's tired. Feeling tired. You still walk.
Yeah. Like yesterday.
And flex up your hand and stuff. Bend down and touch your toe.
Guys.
You can't do that.
The one we used to do for us. Up, down.
Up.
Down.
Yeah, family, so this is very important for a pregnant woman to be flexing every morning. I used to watch some videos on YouTube where
I used to do this
exercise, pregnancy exercise, why you stop do them?
Oh my God. This one is quite it's quite challenging. See, that's what I'm telling you. When I was with Hamesh, I remember sometimes I could tell you, except that I know I have a bump. That is what was reminding me I'm pregnant. But basically, I wouldn't feel like I'm pregnant. I was just feeling very flexible.
Very flexible.
But right now, I can literally feel it. You know?
Yeah. Yeah, family. This is in the estate, and that's CAFO delivery. So most people have the food delivered here in Kenya. Like you have Glover, Bold Food, Uber Eats, and all of these things. You'll see actually deliver and stuff.
This on Sunday.
Yeah, and in CAFO, people will actually someday. People will actually take their actually other small things are when you cannot go out in the supermarket just to buy a small thing. You just order it online.
It says they cannot
So
deliver
CAFO.
more than 10 items.
Eh?
It says they cannot deliver more than 10 items.
That's what they
I
say?
remember when we were in Ghana and we wanted something delivered in the house. You remember? When we bought things in Ghana through the app, CAFO app.
No, sweetie. It was here.
Love, we were in Ghana.
Kafo is not in Ghana, sweetie.
I'm not saying it's in Ghana.
What?
Stop confusing the camera. What I'm saying, we were in Ghana and we needed things delivered.
Yeah.
And then they delivered it to the gate, and then we sent Andrew to come in. You remember?
Yeah, fam. So when I was in Ghana, we actually ordered. So if you're outside of Kenya, I want to order something for your family.
For your house, yeah.
Let's say, you leave your family and you have maybe your house help or your house manager. You can order through the app and pay and everything, and just deliver it to the house. It's kind of like that. Yeah, family. So, as I said, Kenya is so efficient. Everything is easy.
Just pay them pesa and done.
Yeah, it's done. Yeah, everything is like, yeah, family. So, that's how it is. We're just going for this walk, family.
So I stretch my hands.
While Miss Jam to stretch her hand.
My legs.
I hope you enjoy this vlog in the morning time.
Why won't they enjoy to see a beautiful face?
Health is wealth. And just was moving your body and flexing your body in the morning is important. You don't have to do a big exercise or sign up on a big gym subscription. You just need to know a few. You just need to know a few. No. I think it's maybe cement or something. Or it's bird poop, no?
Bird poop, no.
Bird poop so much. Yeah, family, so I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Like, share and subscribe. The birds are chirping and Miss Jam Tour is feeling warm.
It was looking like it's raining.
Yeah.
It's not raining.
Yeah, family, so like, share and comment. We are out. Yeah, family, so today we have Amesh and the wheel and the steel and the wheels and steel. So we're actually going for the walk. It's another day in the morning. And it's kind of getting a little warmish. The sun is coming out a little, but it's cold. So we're gonna walk with Amesh this morning. Amesh, yes, my yes. Da da da, da 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 da, da 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 da. Yeah, family. So let's go. I'm gonna run all the way to the top. While Miss Jam Tours, I'm gonna walk and come, family. So let's go. Yeah, family. That Miss Jam Tours and baby Amesh coming there. Amesh. Yes. We must take her a lap.
It's chilly. It's becoming chilly. It's drizzling.
Yeah, the rain is drizzling and stuff.
Yeah, I'm covering him and opening.
Yeah. So enjoying the morning walk.
I'm loving it.
Okay.
Because I'm coming posing doing this.
Yeah, we have to make it quick because the rain is coming. The rain is coming down. The rain is coming down.
Guess what?
Amesh.
I carried a lesson.
Yeah.
Down
You
there.
have the umbrella there.
I have an umbrella and lesson blood drop. So in case it rains, I'll put him on my back.
Yeah.
And then I cover him with umbrella.
Yeah. Let me go and finish up my morning routine. Yeah, fam, the rain is drizzling and Amesh is out in the rain. Let me finish up my morning routine workout so we can go. Amesh, you going alone? You going? You going? Mr. Going? Mr. Going? Going? Yes. Yes. You're hearing the noise, is that true? You're hearing the noise, Amesh? You want to see the man working over there? They're putting up solar. It's very nice and good. Lord, cleat. This power the entire community. Maybe it's for the borehole. Yeah. So we can get cleaner water and better water. Yeah, family. These solar panels. As you know, guys, the sun is blazing hot in Africa. And solar is the way to go. I guess I'll have that on my house. We'll be using solar, Amesh. Solar! Ba ba ba. Ba ba ba. Ba ba ba. Ba ba ba. Da da da. Da da da. Amesh. Da da da. Da da da. Da da da. Yeah, family, the solar panel is up, as you can see. Solar panel is up. Alright guys, so let me finish up my exercise while we go. So guys, like, share, comment on this video. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know when you're coming to Africa. Let us know when you're coming to Kenya. Let us know when you're coming to the southern part of Africa. The older land, the land where everything happened, was in the southern part of Africa. Southern part of Africa. Not these colonizer cut up Africa. Southern part of Africa, from West Africa come down to South Africa. Cut the equator into half up at the greenest. From the greenest part of Africa is this is the Holy Land family. And if you notice, the greenest side of Africa is where all the resources and the minerals and the fertile lands. God never give that land to his people if it wasn't the best. So the best side of Africa, the southern part, from the greener side come down, it's the Holy Land. The Holy Land. Amesh, tell them that you was born in the Holy Land. Amesh. 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 Amesh, you was born in the Holy Land. The Holy Land? The Holy Land. Amesh, are you happy to be born in the Holy Land? Ta ta ta. You want to see mommy? See mommy. Okay. You want to run too? Yeah? That's what you want to do? Yeah, Mesh. Amish, come on again. Amish, you want to run? Come. Yeah, family, so I take over from Miss Jam Tours because she want to walk fast. So I'm actually just pushing the pram right now. Whoa! You need to start walk fast.